Hello friend, there was a major issue, in fact a blocker issue in SelectorsHub for Firefox. If you keep using it continuously for more than a minute, then it stopped responding. It was issue for from last few version it was there. One of our user has reported recently, so then now I have fixed it. So let me show you first what is the issue. So when you're like using SelectorsHub, like inspect any element, let's say here, open SelectorsHub, and here suppose this is the XPath and you verified this. Till now everything is working fine. Okay, it is responding. Now let me start a timer here. Okay, so this is the timer for an example. Now again I will open SelectorsHub here, any XPath 0. Right now this is working. Okay, so let's see, this timer is running and it will automatically stop responding SelectorsHub. Like again, if right now it is working, if we will verify, it will show one element matching. But if we verify this XPath after 1 minute, then this will stop responding. So let's see when that moment come and what is the situation there where you guys are getting stuck. Okay, now let me just enter. So you see that it is not showing. I'm pressing enter, but it is not showing any response here. So this was the issue which we have fixed now. Another issue was like, so how you were like how it was working that time, like you had to close it and again reopen. That's how it was working before, but not anymore. We have fixed that. Another issue was, let's say you are verifying double forwards, let's say multiple, so here it was overlapping with the footer. So this issue is also fixed. Now what you have to do to get this fixed, first just install, I mean basically just update the existing version which you have. So what you can do, just go to SelectorsHub website, or you can just install and install it again. Go to install here, and for Firefox, and here add to Firefox. I'm just adding it because I just install and installing it again to show you guys. And now here if you open let's say we open SelectorsHub.com and here open SelectorsHub, verify any XPath here, let's say this one. Now whatever time you will take, it will keep responding. So let me just show you on the same page of that timer here. So let's say we inspect this element here, and here this is the XPath, hit enter. It is showing one matching node, everything is working fine. Now we'll see after, like I will pause for 1 minute and then again after 1 minute I will press enter, and you will see that it will keep on working. So now you will not face this issue. You need to upgrade to the latest version 4.4.6 and then it will keep on working from there on. So you just keep pressing enter, like, and you will not face this issue. You can inspect any element, it will keep responding. So this issue has been fixed now. Another issue which I showed you guys, that it was not that overlapping issue, so that is also fixed, and a lot of improvements has been done. Performance improvement is also done on this. So, and also feel free to let us know if you have any issue with the Firefox version of SelectorsHub, because recently Firefox also upgrading their all the extension to the manifest version 3. So there might be, you might face sometimes some issue with the like Firefox 108 and 9 onwards, but before that itself we will fix that, all those things. So don't worry about that, we are here. So now let's say it's been more than 1 minute, so you see that it is still working. So this is fixed now. Please update SelectorsHub to the latest version 4.4.6 and keep enjoying it. If you haven't tried SelectorsHub for Firefox, please add it in your browser and you will love this. All the features and everything works here, you can see that. Please explore all the features, you will love them. Thank you so much, and please share it with others and let others know about this. Those who are facing this issue, they should get the help and they should know that this issue has been fixed now. Thank you so much.